Hi, it's Adrian Bo, and today I'm back at Coogee Beach to talk about a few recent local initiatives as well as update you on my two extraordinary auctions over the weekend. Firstly, an interesting development at last week's council meeting regarding the shark nets that currently reside off both Coogee and Maroubra Beaches. Council have voted to begin a trial aimed at replacing the shark nets with a new technology due to the harm the nets cause on the sea life itself. Now, this is on the back of a 16 million 5-year shark management strategy run by the state government, which found that smart drum lines were 4 times more effective than nets. The nets will remain in place whilst the trial is going on, and council have made it very clear that the nets won't be removed without significant consultation and engagement with the local community. The new technology will include smart drum lines, drones overhead, and listening stations focused on detecting sharks that have been tagged. The listening stations are buoys placed in popular swimming areas and detect tag sharks within 500 metres, which triggers a real-time time alert to the Shark Smart app, the website, and to Twitter as well. Now, a few weeks ago I featured the amazing Kuji Castle on Bunya Parade, now owned by Laurie Macquarie, a former Macquarie executive and ATC chairman. The property has just got on the market for sale and is projected to sell between $15.5 and $17 million, which will smash the Coogee record. Laurie and Christy Macquarie bought the property for $7.5 million in 2005 from the Singletons, who paid $8.2 for it in 2003. That just shows the roller coaster cycles that can occur in our marketplace. Now, on another local initiative, the update on the Coogee Bay Rd shared village project, which was first launched in November last year as a trial, which looks like now, unfortunately, it will be coming to an end. It seems to have been a great success, however, giving more space for businesses to help recover from COVID-19 and the effects that had on local business. The section of Coogee Bay Rd between Arden and Brook Street is being reinstated to two-way traffic again after the sandstone blocks, street furniture and synthetic grass will be removed. I'm sure this will polarise the local community. Also, this week's Randwick Council put out their operational plan and budget for next year, and it includes an $85 million capital works program, of which the Heffron Centre in Maroubra will be the star attraction. But it also includes a 33 road upgrade across 3.4 kilometres of road, 47 footpath upgrades across 2.8 kilometres of footpath, a new arts centre at Blenheim House in Randwick, as well as a range of community upgrades including indoor and outdoor gyms, synthetic playing fields, playground updates and youth facilities. Last weekend I was absolutely delighted with my two local auctions. Firstly, I had 6 at 58 Dolphin Street in Coogee. I had a price guide of $750, so when I finally brought the hammer down at $910,000 after a lively auction, it was yet another very clear indication of how my unique social and digital marketing system is delivering extraordinary value, and my role as both the agent and the auctioneer enables me to represent each property to a much deeper level. The buyers were absolutely delighted with their acquisition, so everyone's a winner. Also, I've sold many properties in the Endeavour 88 estate on Fairsky Street in South Coogee. But when I took on 107 Fairsky Street to auction on Saturday, I knew from the open homes leading up to the auction day that interest had increased substantially, again due to my unique social targeting and retargeting marketing system. The price guide was $2.1 million, but my hammer finally went down as the agent and the auctioneer at a eye-watering $2,745,000, which is a record for a 4-bedroom home in this development. Again, a great result for the vendor and a very happy buyer who will love living in this beautiful South Coogee private enclave. The market is very strong, however, I'm certain no other agent could be obtaining such premium prices. As always, I hope you enjoy our beautiful Coogee lifestyle with all the facilities on offer, and please don't take for granted the outstanding lifestyle that Coogee brings to us. And always remember, your home is worth more with Adrian Bo.